Bob was a young boy living in a beautiful village. One day, while walking through the market, he heard the faint cries of a puppy. Curious, he followed the sound and found a weak, starving puppy shivering near a garbage bin. His heart filled with sympathy, and without hesitation, he picked up the little pup and took it home. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. When Bob brought the puppy home, the neighbor boys mocked him for picking such a weak little creature. Even his own family didn't approve of it, but Bob was kind-hearted and refused to abandon the pup. He cared for it, fed it, and nurtured it with love. Over time, the once weak puppy grew into a strong and loyal companion. One day, a fierce leopard attacked Bob's village, hunting goats and even attacking people. The village guard dogs tried to fight, but some were killed. Others ran away in fear. Chaos spread, and no one could stop the beast. Then, stepping into the battlefield, came Bob's dog, Rex. The once weak pup had grown into a powerful warrior. With fearless determination, Rex charged at the leopard, fighting with all his strength. In an intense battle, he finally drove the wild beast away, saving the village. What happened next? Watch the full story in the video.